Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will start chapter number 10 and the name of the chapter is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. The name of the chapter is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. But before that, we will learn some manners. Say please and thank you. Listen with attention and respect. Share your materials. Keep your hands to yourself. Take turns. And at last, raise your hand before you speak. So, in this chapter, we will cover many topics. And the first topic is adolescence and puberty. What is adolescence? Adolescence is the transitional phase of growth between childhood and adulthood. It is a transitional phase of growth between childhood and adulthood. During this period, the child may experience many physical, mental, social, and emotional changes. Okay, adolescence begins around 11 years of age and lasts till about the age of 18 or 19. So from 11 to 18 or 19 is the what adolescent period. Okay, during adolescence, number of changes occur. Clear? We will go through all these changes in this chapter. At 11 or 12 years of age, a child become reproductively active, है ना? That is called puberty. In girls, number of changes occurs, and in boys also number of changes occurs. They can reproduce now. That is what? That is all about puberty. Practice question 1 is given here. You have to do in your notebook, and if you have any sort of problem, then please contact me. Next is physical changes at puberty. What are the changes which occur at puberty? First of all, increase in height. The bones of legs and arms elongate, and as a result of that, there is increase in height. Usually by 18 years of age, girls and boys reach their maximum height. Changes in body shape. The amount of fat mass and muscle mass increases in the body. Muscles grow more in boys than in girls. In girls, the growth of muscles is less than boys. In boys, shoulders gets broadened and chest becomes wider. Okay. Increase in hair growth. Hair starts growing in armpits, pubic areas, that is the areas around the sex organs, and on the face. During puberty, these all changes occurs. In boys, mustache and beard comes, है ना? In girls, hair is generally soft and less dense, but in boys, the hairs are very thick and they are very dense. During puberty, there is increase in the activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Means sweat glands and sebaceous glands will become more active. Sweat glands produces sweat, while sebaceous glands produces oil. And due to this, in many children, pimples comes out. There is formation of pimples and acne in boys and girls. Okay. One major change is change in voice. The voice box or larynx begins to grow. So as a result of this, there is change in voice. Boys develop a deeper voice and girls develop a high pitched voice. Okay. Then there is development of sex organ in both female and male. there is development of sex organ in girls. Ovaries enlarge and start releasing mature eggs, and in boys, testis and penis develop completely. Testis begins to produce sperms. So sperms are produced by testis. So after puberty, testis starts producing sperms, and in girls, ovaries starts releasing eggs. So now they can reproduce. Okay. There are certain primary and secondary sexual characters. So first of all, we will see primary sexual characters in female. Reproductive organs such as vagina and ovaries. Gamete released by the reproductive organ, that is ovum. Primary sexual characters in males. Reproductive organs are testis and penis, and then gametes released by the reproductive organ, that is sperm. So these are primary sexual characters, means there will be a development of reproductive organ, and from that particular organ gamete will be released, gamete will be formed, and gamete will be produced. If gamete will be produced, then they may reproduce also, because if there will be fusion of male and female gamete, then only the child will be born, means a baby will be born. Okay. There are certain secondary sexual characters. These sexual characters develop at the time of puberty, but primary sexual characters are present at birth only. They are present at birth, but secondary sexual characters are present. Yeah, yeah, they develop at the time of puberty. Change in voice, growth of hair, development of breast, broadening of shoulder. These all are secondary sexual characters. Okay. Then there is practice question 2. You have to do these questions in your notebook, and if you have any type of problem, then please contact me. Thank you. Have a nice time.